Hey Willie, how are you, dear? I'm fine, John. What about you? I am doing great. Have you read the journal in our school about the environment? Yes, I read it, but missed some parts. Have you read the whole thing? Yes, I did. It seems we are polluting our environment too much. Yeah, I think so. We should care for it more, and can you tell how can we be careful about the environment? I think we need to be careful about air and water mostly. At the time, we will face a shortage of drinking water. So we need to stop wasting and polluting the water. Yeah, that's also true for air pollution. Have you seen the data on global warming? Yes, global warming is true and some people don't even believe it. We need to be careful and stop polluting the environment. Otherwise, maybe Mother Earth will not be the same after 50 to 100 years. We have already spoiled many things. I agree with you. There are many animal species has extinct from nature just because of massive changes in the climate. And global warming and air pollution are directly responsible for that. What do you think we should do to save the nature and environment? First of all, we need to go green and stop using plastic materials. It's a huge threat to sea life, and it kills the fertility of the land. What do you suggest to save the air? We need to reduce the use of things that leave carbon. We have to use electric vehicle that is renewable energy. Overall, it's tough, but it's possible to do. I agree with you. It was great talking to you, dear. Yeah, it was. See you later and take care. You too.